Hi guys, my name is Jim Aspel. I'm a workers' compensation attorney in Farmington, Connecticut, and I wanted to give you 3 tips for your first visit with the doctor after you've been hurt at work. If you keep these 3 tips that I'm about to give you in mind, it will lay a proper foundation for your workers' compensation claim in Connecticut going forward. It'll make it easier for you to get your benefits. It will make it easier for the doctor to do their job. It will make it easier for your attorney to represent you. So, the first and most important thing to keep in mind when you go see the doctor for the first time, and that may be your primary care doctor, it could be the emergency room, it could be Concentra, whatever clinic your employer happens to send you to. Number one, first and foremost, tell the doctor you got hurt at work. Time and time again, we see people come in, we get the medical records, and there's just no indication that the person ever got hurt at work. Sometimes it stands to reason, and you think that the doctor knows that, but you can never be too safe. Tell the doctor, quote unquote, I got hurt at work. Okay, that's number one. Number two, you want to tell the doctor what happened. The doctor's going to call that a history. It's very important that the doctor gets a correct and accurate history at the very first visit. It's utterly important the doctor knows what happened. So, by history, what do I mean? You tell the doctor what happened. A box fell on me. I was pulling on a pallet jack and my shoulder popped. I cut my finger. I was working on a machine and I sustained a burn. Whatever it happens to be, make it clear to the doctor how it was you got hurt and make sure that they transcribe that into your notes. Again, for the same thing as telling the doctor you got hurt at work, it's just critically important to let the doctor know how it happened. Then number three, it's important to tell the doctor what hurts. And when I say tell the doctor what hurts, I mean tell the doctor what everything hurts. So if you hurt your shoulder, tell the doctor you hurt your shoulder. If you hurt your shoulder and your knee, tell the doctor, I hurt my shoulder and my knee. Don't omit any body parts, no matter how slight you think it is. All of that stuff appears in the record. That way, if you only tell the doctor that you hurt your shoulder and then suddenly your knee starts hurting a week or two down the road, and that's fairly common, the insurance company for your employer is going to say, well, you only told us that you hurt your shoulder, so why is this knee claim coming into it now? Tell the doctor everything that hurts. That way we have a clear record. If you do those 3 tips, I promise you that your workers' compensation claim is going to go a lot smoother and you're going to have a lot better result. If you have any questions about any of that, feel free to call me. You can email me at jfaspel@aspellaw.com. You can call me direct in Farmington, 860-523-8783. Or if you have any other questions, we do have a Facebook group I would invite you to join. It's called Ask a Connecticut Workers' Compensation Attorney. You can post a question there at any time, and I'd be happy to get back to you. If you find these videos helpful at all, feel free to subscribe. And I look forward to helping you with your workers' compensation claim if you have any questions. Thanks.